Hey ladies, this is Gail again, and this should be your last scheduled video that you're getting on Clinical Solutions. By now, you have probably finished your retinization products, your process. Not the products. Your products are designed to last for like 4 months, but you should be finished your retinization process. So now we're from 8 weeks and beyond. If any of you knew Toy Story, had your kids watched Toy Story, Buzz Lightyear said, "To infinity and beyond." And that's where we're going today, to infinity and beyond. So we finished our retinization process. So now we left it on week 8 at 5 times a week. Now you want to do a little bit of experimenting. You can do 6 or 7 times a week consecutively. Again, you're going to do it the same way. A pump of retinol, 1 to 3 pumps of milk, whatever you need. Use it as often as you need it during the day. But you're going to do 1 pump of pure retinol. Avoid the eyes, avoid the lips for infinity and beyond. Now, I personally have found, even though my skin must be like tough old leather because I've had no problems at all, I found that my best is 6 nights a week. I've done 7 nights consecutively, but I'm feeling a little tingly after 7 consecutive nights. So right now, for maintenance, for infinity and beyond, I'm doing 6 nights a week. I don't do it Saturday night to give my skin a rest. I do lots of extra moisturizer on Saturday night and Sunday, and I start again Sunday night. That's how I do it. That'll be totally your choice. But that's how you're going to proceed with infinity and beyond. You are at 5 weeks. Now you're going to do, 5 days. Now you're going to do 6 or 7 days forever. Now, let's see how your face reacted. Were you good? Did you have no irritation? Did you have a little irritation? Now you know what you're going to do. So let's talk about the neck. Believe it or not, the neck can be more sensitive than the face, especially under here where the sun doesn't get it. We've got more, like, not all of us, but a lot of us have more lines and wrinkles, and this skin is kind of thin. So you definitely want to do the retinization process on the neck. It may even be a little different than it was on your face, but you've got a really good base point to know how your skin reacted, because your neck is probably going to react very similarly. You may need to do less than 3 to 5 times a week during the retinization. You may not need to do 6 nights a week on infinity and beyond. You will need to use a whole lot of milk on your neck. You can start doing your décolleté. When I started doing my neck, I started from here right down to the girls, and I started on the back of my hand. So I did my face first. I saw how that process went, and then I started doing the neck and the back of my hands. And even so, a couple nights ago, I think I got a little carried away. I know what I did. I put on 2 retinol products on top of each other. That was a mistake. So I actually burned my neck a little bit. But as I said, it's going to be gorgeous because I did a skin peel. It's a burn and it's not going to peel. But I did do lots of extra milk, and it actually didn't even scab over. So I'm thrilled with this. But be careful of your neck. This needs the whole retinol process, so retinization process. So you're going to, just what you did for your face, you're going to do that for your neck. The décolleté area, the top of the chest, is actually hardier, so that's okay. And the back of the hands are very similar to the face. The skin is thin here too. It gets about the same amount of sun. It gets the exposure like your face does. So careful with the back of the hands like your face. Be extra careful with the neck, but go ahead and do the décolleté if you choose to, the top of the chest right down to the girls, where it's exposed in a t-shirt or swimsuit or something like that. So from infinity and beyond, you're going to find your rhythm. 5 nights a week or 6 nights a week. Let's talk about what else can happen with infinity and beyond. Now you can start to add back in the things that we took out. If you want to start using your Skinvigorate Sonic brush, start with that. The bristles are really soft and they're really, really a good thing to use. You can start using your vitamin C, especially if it's the C plus E. That's a great cream. When you first start, do it on the mornings after retinol, not on the night. But you can see how your skin reacts. So you can start adding. You can do your Skinvigorate brush twice a day. You can start adding in your vitamin C once a day in the morning. You can start towards the end of the 12 weeks, maybe leave this a little bit longer, the glycolic acid peel. I still don't love a buff puff or any of those things. Microdermabrasion, yes, once a week. The glycolic acid peel, maybe once a week. Remember, your skin is still going through this process up to 12 weeks. So start carefully. Start with the brush. Start with the vitamin C. Once a week with the glycolic acid peel, once a week with the microdermabrasion. Still no salicylic acid at this point. Wait for the 12-week mark, and that's it. You'll know your skin, and now you want to start here and the back of the hand if you choose to. So if you have any questions, let me know. Now at the end of 12 weeks, remember we're at 8 weeks, infinity and beyond, but I'm going to tell you at 12 weeks what I want you to do. 12 weeks, I want you to snap another selfie. Take another picture. Take a picture of what you did before, the same setting, this side or this side. If you had dark areas and you want to get rid of them, take a selfie. Take another skin analyzer. Get the skin analyzer again and take another skin analyzer and do screenshots of that so you can compare side to side, because the magic is happening now. So keep going. Retinol can be used, the retinol 0.5, before you even need to go up. Can be used for a year and a half, up to 2 years before you need to increase the percentage, because you've got so many other things that you can, let me get rid of this. There's so many other things that you can add in now. Remember, you can now add in your vitamin C, your glycolic acid peel, your microdermabrasion, your brushes, your brushing. There's so much more you can add in at this point. So you don't need to worry about how long you're going to need to upgrade. We've got a year or more before we're even going to be talking about upgrading. So keep on going. Let me know your results. Show me your pictures. Tell your friends that the magic has happened. And let's look at each other's skin and marvel. This is my skin. This is my skin. I'm so excited. This is the back of my hands. I'm working on it. Neck is still a little red because I'm doing all of these videos on the same day. But by the time you've done your 8 weeks, my neck or my décolleté is going to be like, woohoo, I'm going to be part of the movie model group. So have an awesome, awesome infinity and beyond, and let me know how you did. Have a great time.